How to use ChatGPT on mobile. Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video of TechTube. If you want to use ChatGPT for your mobile device as well, in this video let me show you how it's done. There's no separate application on the mobile device, either on the Play Store or the App Store, from where you can download the ChatGPT app. So you'll need to use ChatGPT from the website as you normally do using your desktop. So open up your web browser and search for chat.openai.com. Once you search for this, it's going to take you to the login or sign up page. If you don't yet have an account of ChatGPT, you can tap on sign up and create your account. Tap on login if you have an account and then log into your account. Once you log in, you can see this interface, which is the same when you use ChatGPT on your desktop. You can see all of your history of your chat on this section if you tap on the three lines, and you can now start chatting with the chatbot. So that is the way that you can use ChatGPT on your mobile phone. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. That's gonna be all for today's video. I'll see you guys in the next one.